Ammonia solution, commonly known as ammonium hydroxide, is a versatile and widely used chemical with applications spanning various industries. As an aqueous solution of ammonia gas, it possesses strong alkaline properties, making it an effective cleaning agent, pH regulator, and industrial reagent. In household and commercial cleaning, ammonia solution is valued for its ability to break down grease, stains, and dirt on glass, tiles, and hard surfaces without leaving streaks. In agriculture, it serves as a vital nitrogen source for fertilizers, enhancing soil fertility and crop yield. Additionally, ammonia solution plays a critical role in the textile industry for cotton processing and dyeing, where it helps in fiber swelling and color fixation. The food industry also benefits from its use as a pH adjuster in dairy products and baked goods, ensuring product consistency and quality. Beyond its everyday applications, ammonia solution is indispensable in industrial processes such as water treatment, refrigeration, and chemical manufacturing. In wastewater treatment, it helps neutralize acidic contaminants and remove heavy metals, contributing to environmental safety. The refrigeration industry relies on ammonia-based cooling systems due to their high efficiency and eco-friendly nature compared to synthetic refrigerants. Furthermore, ammonia solution acts as a crucial precursor in chemical synthesis, particularly in the production of ammonium salts, explosives, and pharmaceuticals. Despite its numerous benefits, handling ammonia solution requires caution, as its strong odor and potential corrosiveness can pose health hazards if not managed properly. With its widespread industrial, agricultural, and domestic applications, ammonia solution remains one of the most essential and multifunctional chemicals, continuously supporting advancements across multiple sectors.